If you are trying to use Grok AI but keep seeing the high demand message, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you some simple and effective ways to fix the Grok AI high demand problem so you can start using it without any interruptions. When Grok AI show high demand, it means too many users are using it at once. So the server get overloaded and limit new requests. The easiest fix is to wait a few minutes and try again. You can also try these fixes I am going to show you now. Simply go to the Grok AI app info, force stop the app, clear the cache, then try using Grok AI again. If it still doesn't work, log out of your account, then try again using a new account. If it still doesn't work, try switching your internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. That should help. As you can see, it's working. If you are still facing the same error, try connecting to a VPN and then use Grok again. So that's how you can fix the Grok AI high demand problem easily. If you are still facing the issue, then wait a few days for the server issue to be resolved by Grok's official team. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.